It's no secret that education is the key that opens doors to brighter futures for our students. But we can't rely on traditional teaching methods to prepare them for the world of tomorrow. That's why we, the OECS Commission, through the work of the Pearl, are excited to announce our grants for continuous school and system improvement. These grants are designed to support school leaders in their implementation of change-embedded, innovative, and sustainable continuous school and system improvement plans. We want to help you create plans that will bring the magic back into the classroom and give our students the education they deserve. We're not just looking for any old plans, though. We want to see evidence-embedded plans that leads purposeful change. Plans that will revolutionize the way we teach and learn. Plans that will inspire students to think bigger, work harder, and dream higher. Plans that will support teachers in their professional development and promote the development of professional learning communities. So, if you're a school leader with a bold and brilliant innovation, we want to hear from you. Don't be afraid to dream big and go for the gold. We encourage you to make multiple iterations of your plan before submission, as these will be evaluated and reviewed by a committee to ensure that only the most effective plans are funded. Please visit our website to learn more about our grants for continuous school and system improvement. Apply today and join us in the mission to make education better for everyone. Let's inspire the next generation of leaders and changemakers together.